Hello friends! Welcome to Koderon, where we empower kids to code. Koderon makes it easy and fun for children to learn coding. My name is Megan, and I'm excited to share with you instructions on how to get started in Scratch. What is Scratch? Scratch is a block-based coding platform for children and adults to learn coding logic that was developed by MIT. It is a great tool and highly recommended by Koderon. And the best part is you don't have to install anything. All you have to do is to create an account. So let's get started. Let's open our browser and go to scratch.mit.edu. On the upper right-hand corner, you'll see Join Scratch. So go ahead and click on that. So here you're asked to choose a username. Notice it says don't use your real name. Go ahead and choose an alias, something that you will remember. I'm going to go ahead and type Koderon. It says username already taken. Try another. So go ahead and get creative. Choose something that you will remember though. And then go ahead and create a password. So you want to uncheck that so that others cannot see your password. And you'll have to type it in twice so that it confirms that you have the right password. Choose the country you're from. And so I'm going to choose United States of America. And then go ahead and type in your date of birth. Okay, so I'm a female, so I'll check that and click on next. And go ahead and type in your email. This is useful in that when you want to save your projects and share them with your friends, you will need your email address and confirm the email you get from Scratch so that you are able to share your games once you start creating your games. So I'm going to go ahead and type hello@koderon.com. Click on Create Your Account. And here we go. We can go ahead and get started. Let the fun begin. Once you have created your account, click on Create to start a project. You can either start coding or you can watch the tutorials. On the upper left-hand side of your screen, you can click on Tutorial to watch a variety of videos, from learning how to animate your name, to creating a music program, to designing a fun game. There is so much you can do in Scratch. Have fun coding! Thank you for joining me and Koderon today. If you're interested in private coding lessons with some of the best teachers from top computer science universities, please visit Koderon.com. If you enjoyed this video, please hit like and subscribe below. Thank you so much for joining me today, and I hope to see you again next time.